Alright bitches, first video about this common fault on the E93, E92, E90 maybe. Glove box latch won't unlock. So just gonna show you a quick trick that I come across. So now want to show you. Alright, so look, this is usually the common thing, yeah? You try opening it, it's loose, it doesn't catch, and you'll be thinking, okay, what's the problem? I have to go BMW, get myself a new latch. No, that's not the problem. This only happens not just because the key is turned this way, it also happens when the key is turned that way. But because mine's fixed, I won't show you fully, but it happens, it's really loose, it doesn't catch. That's because there's a wire that connects the actual latch to the glove box that's loose. You got to take that off and you got to reconnect it. But you ask, how do you get into the glove box to do that? So the easiest way would be to pull this trim off with prying tools, pull it off, and then what you can do is also take this bit off as well. Start from there, pull it off, then that's 2 screws here, 2 screws there, take it off, take both of these out. Just keep in mind that your this is connected to the trim, so disconnect that, disconnect this as well, and then you put your arm through. Actually, best to go through this way. Put your arm through all the way down there, and then you pinch the glove box, and then that will come out. Easy peasy. Reconnect the wire, and then this should be able to catch, and when it catches, it opens. By the way, this is what I did at the beginning before I figured out how to do it. Kind of damaged my glove box, but yeah, don't do it the way I did. Just go through that method. It's a 5-minute job. Peace.